Hello guys, today I'm in Bucharest and I visit this exposition. It's a big exposition with more than 1,000 birds, rabbits, pigeons, turkey and different birds. I will make a video for you, so please subscribe my channel if you like, thumbs up and give me a comment. Also you can share my videos if you enjoy until the end. I believe here are around 600 of birds, chickens, different types. These are viandot. I like to visit exposition to see every day something new. And if you want to see all my videos, subscribe. Also, I believe you will need some popcorn and juice because it will be a long video, around half an hour, I don't know, something like that, 20 minutes minimum, because are too many birds. And if you like to see this, you need to see all the video. This is a chicken, Silky, a female Silky chicken. Also I have this in my small farm. Very beautiful, this one. Also, this exposition is in Romania, January. Phoenix, small phoenix. Also, silky black one. These are very funny, also very kind.
Nu. A, de la ăla din curte, da, să știi că am luat două, scuză-mă.
This is the champion. A small phoenix size. Yokohama.
Așa nu schimba la mine. Am avut găina asta campioană, dar nu mai am.
This is look very nice. Small Yokohama. I am SEMANI, one of the best chickens in the world. In my opinion, they are very unique because they have all skin black, everything. Also inside, the organs, the heart, everything, it's black. The skin, but the eggs are normal, white. They are not black. People think sometimes after they see this chicken, believe also the eggs are black, but are not. Okay, please turn around. I want to see your face, not your ass. Dude, come on. You don't. Barnevelder. These are Romanian chicken, neck without fence. Gâtgolaș de Transylvania, it's called, the name of these birds. I believe they are unique in the world, also like pigeon. These are black chicken and the male is blue. Okay, so here are Cochinchina, white, small ones, this size. Also here different types of variation of colors, lavender, yellow, black and white, silver, lancet. And also like this one, hey, please, I want to see, with curly fence. Aduana. This looks like a ball, like a football ball. It's round. Also here are small Brahma. This is Brahma Columbia, black and white, small size. We will see also the big one, the king of the chickens, huge Rooster, Brahma. This is Columbia, yellow and black variation. And also here some interesting Wyandotte, white champion. Hey, you guy, nice. And this is combatant, Indian combatant, small one, small size. Are two different types in general. Chicken are small or big one, or normal. but for exposition are big and small. Like this, it's a small Brahma. Here you can see the point of every bird. This is the point, but here it's in Romanian. I believe some of you don't understand. Different variation, you see the color. Also, I want to show you something here nice. Here are some turkey, and this is very interesting. But also, these are unique. Not so many breeders from Romania have some birds like this. Asel, small asel. Look like a combatant, but it's not a combatant. It's different, long, if you see, long neck. Also this one. This is Coshamo. This name is Coshamo. This and this are Coshamo, male and female. And also down there it's Asel. Asel. The light is not so good, but I believe you will understand something from this image video. Also, I like this very much. Sebrit. Sorry. Yellow Sebrit. Gold. And the silver one there. Also, sorry. Okay. And I am Serama. Serama, these are the small chicken in the world. And I believe the most funny chickens because they are small and they have, if you see the chest, very, very funny, the position of these birds. $93 points. This chicken have 94 points. Come on, I want to see you better. Okay, so here are the ducks. I will make a video with the ducks, but separate from this one. So in this video, I will show you just the chickens, because it will be a long video after. I don't know, 3-4 hours to see all the exposition. So now I will continue with the chickens. Hope you will enjoy. Blue and gold, black and gold, variation of Viandot. This is the champion. Also, remind for you. Don't forget to subscribe. 94 points. Please again give me a thumbs up, give me a like, because you will see some different birds here. Brachial. This is brachial, and this is the male of brachial. Okay. This is Italian chicken. These are very good for eggs. This chicken have a good rendement for eggs, like Australorp. Some of them are just for eggs, some of them are just for beauty, some of them are, I don't know, meat and eggs, or just to be your friends, the chicken, small chickens in general. I like this variation, pearl. It's very beautiful. Also, you can see the small penny around the ears. The small penny, yellow one.
Și nici ăsta care
These are called Sussex chicken. Here are labres, black labres. This is chicken from France, like origin. From labres, the meat it's very good. It's also expensive meat. In a restaurant, they use labres. This is just half of these birds. So you see this exposition is very big. It's not the big from our country, Romania, but it's one of the biggest here in the capital, in Bucharest. A lot of variation of birds. These are New Hampshire, Rhode Island, these ones. Very interesting, this color. It's like a brown, red brown, something like that. It's red, more red, but these are porcelain. Bourbon turkey, and these are bronze. Also here are Australorp, blue one. These chicken are for eggs, but also are very beautiful. They are big and have a good colors. In the light sun, they look amazing because have a green, violet, but more green. Look like this, something like this. But here is not natural sun because we are inside of this area. Nice position, big one. 2024 this birds with blue ring, all with blue ring are from 2024, and now we are in January 2025 this year. If you want to see more exposition and more videos with birds, pigeon, animals, and a lot of animals, different kind, also again subscribe if you don't hear me. Orpington. Some of them are missing because people can buy from here if you see from another country, and sometimes, I don't know, you want to buy something, you can come here and to buy. You can choose. Wow, this is amazing. Wow, very nice. Also, these are Indian combatant, but the big size, normal size. They have around, I don't know, 3-4 kilograms. These birds, big one. I believe this male have 4-5 kilogram. Oi, shh, shut up. This male, I believe, have 4-5 kilograms, and the small size, I believe, around 1.5 kilograms. The small. And this is Malaysian combatant. Also, this looks very funny because it's very tall, long neck, long feet, and this is a chicken. But okay, now stand up. Also, here it's a tombola. There it's a tombola, not here. Here inside the area, but people can put their name for a tombola to win some birds. These are Sumatra, from Sumatra. Here in Romania we have many birds from around the world, a lot of chicken, because a lot of breeders love chicken, and have faveroles. Orlov have beard. Nice. And these are, from here start the kings of chicken Brahma. '94. Champion, but it's sleeping. It's tired. After the show, they are tired. Here are the most professional incubator from our country, Romania. Incubator Automat OS. These are the most best incubators. Also, I want to show you something here. This These are incubators. I have another one like this at my home. The same model, 180 eggs you can put inside. It's automat. It's very good. It's perfect, and it's a professional one. These are bigger, also are more bigger than this one. Okay, we can continue it from here with Brahma. Also, I will do another video with pigeon separate. But I start and I speak about you from the beginning. Will be a long video. I speak about this. Sorry. Pardon. This is very nice. Also from this side, yeah. In reality, they look much better than I do the video, because in reality you can see with your own eyes the real size of these birds, the real colors and everything. These are amazing. Also, I have at my home Brahma, a good family. This is the champion, 95 points. It's good form. And also I believe these are all the chicken from this part. So again, like, subscribe, comment, and we see you. No, you see me with the next video if you subscribe. Ciao.